Okay, here we are with circuit number 8. I already have the circuit set up and plugged in. I'll just go ahead and explain what we have going on here. This is a potentiometer. What it is essentially a variable resistor. You have a high on this side, a low on this side, and a sense pin in the center. And this sense pin is plugged into our analog input as sensor pin 0, and then our LED as an output is coming in or going out on pin 13. And so what this does is it's going to uh, basically it says there's a loop that on the pin mode it sets up LED pin as an output. In the loop it will have the sensor value equal to what the analog reading is, which is what's being sent in on analog 0, and then it will digital write and say LED pin turn high, and then it'll delay according to the sensor value, and then digital write to the pin to turn it off. So basically the resistance value here dictates how long it stays on. So the more the resistance, the slower this light is going to be, and the slower it's going to cycle. And so if I change the resistance and make it lower, you'll notice that the light will start going faster. So this is really neat. It just shows you how you can use potentiometers to speed or slow a system or a circuit based off of the resistance value and the change of resistance. And I talked about the code, but basically here's the code. Not a whole lot to it. This is setting up your sensor pin on 0. This is your output pin, pin 13. And then your sensor value initially equals 0, and this is your loop, basically setting up the LED pin as your output. And then as you go down the loop, it has your sensor value equal to the analog and the digital read and write and your outputs, and etc., etc. So really not a whole lot to this project, but it's pretty important to learn, because when you go to set up circuits and you need to slow a signal or vary something like amplitudes or whatnot, you can use the potentiometer to do that. So that's pretty much it for circuit number 8. Thank you very much.